Hello everybody, Max Scoville here for IGN News. The unmanned SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket carrying cargo to the International Space Station exploded a few minutes after launch yesterday. It was carrying 4,000 pounds of cargo to the ISS, including food for the station astronauts, spare parts, and an adapter to allow future docking at the station. It is a huge setback, but the astronauts on the station have enough food to last them until October. CEO of SpaceX Elon Musk tweeted that, quote, "There was an overpressure event in the upper stage liquid oxygen tank, which caused the breakup of the rocket." For more space news, stay tuned to IGN.